Hey guys, it's Steph. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my jewelry collection, where I'm just going to show all of my jewelry pieces, all of my accessories. So let's just get started.
On a run.
Get scratching.
And that is all the jewelry I have. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Subscribe if you're new. Peace.
Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah.